So you've cleaned, you've painted, and you've prepped, but does your furniture layout help or does it hurt your home's value? Sometimes you're unknowingly making your home feel smaller with poor furniture placement and improper staging. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Now, how you arrange your furniture can really make a difference between a space that feels cramped and one that sells. So if you want your home to feel open, functional, and move-in ready to buyers, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and please contact Domaille Real Estate for your personalized home staging consult. We'll help you use what you already have to stage your home, and you'll make it feel brand new. Hey guys, I'm Kelly Domaille. My husband and I, Bruce, own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty here in Rochester, Minnesota. And we've seen how something as simple as rearranging furniture can totally change a buyer's experience in a home, and I want to walk you through how to do it. Now, furniture layout influences how spacious and functional your home feels, and it's the biggest part of your staging. Buyers want rooms that feel open and easy to move through, not packed with oversized pieces or awkward layouts. So your goal is to highlight each room's best features while making it still feel very usable and balanced. So start by creating clear walkways and flow. Every room should feel really easy to enter and move through without weaving around furniture. And try the 3-foot rule. There should be at least 3 feet of walking space around each major piece of furniture. Also, remove excess or bulky items just so you can open up the room. Now, floating furniture away from walls really helps define spaces. When you push furniture against the walls, it doesn't make a room feel bigger. It oftentimes makes it feel kind of disconnected. So instead, float your sofa and chairs into cozy groupings that create conversation areas and more of a sense of function. You can also use rugs and accent pieces to anchor each area with some intention. Area rugs help define spaces, especially when you have a big open concept layout. Now, coffee tables, lamps, and side tables will also help complete the look. And in bedrooms, make the bed the clear focal point. Keep furniture symmetrical and simple so that you help the room feel calm. Now, every room should have a clear purpose and not feel overcrowded. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and great furniture staging can appeal to almost everyone. So remove any extra furniture that doesn't contribute to the room's function. So if it's an office, let it be an office. If it's a spare bedroom, make it feel like a really nice guest retreat. Buyers are going to remember how they felt in each room, so aim for clarity and comfort. And if you'd like to know more on how to place your furniture for the most impact, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and please follow us on our socials. And if you have any questions or tips of your own that you want to share, put them down below. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.